Well, I'm Matt.
And I'm Carter.
And welcome to a promo for It's Kind of a Gray Area.
Yeah. These are strange times, folks. There is a virus that is spreading around the world as a pandemic. As a result of that, a lot of you are off from work. Some of you are in quarantine. And we just want to remind everyone that if you've got nothing to do for the following weeks, feel free to check out the show. Maybe it'll help you get through this really boring time where there's just not much going on.
Yep. And we know a lot of people are home from school for weeks or I think a month and a half, we heard from someone.
Mm-hmm.
That's a great time to skip out on schoolwork and just binge the show.
Yeah. In fact, you might learn something from some of the episodes. So
That's
it basically is school, but like a cool version of school.
Like a cool school.
Yeah. Cool school. IKAGA, the cool school.
The cool school. So enjoy our shows. We have over 2 seasons available, right?
Mm-hmm.
Over 100 episodes.
Yep. Go check it out.
Yay!